Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, November 18th, 2022. Please stand for the pledge of the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you. Please have a seat. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 37. Why does it keep getting colder?
At least warmer than yesterday.
I don't think it's okay.
Today's lunch options are cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza, or hot dogs. Yum.
Alright, I think we all know which one's what I'm picking. Today in history, in 1928, the release of the animated short Steamboat Willie, the first fully synchronized sound cartoon, is published. And happy birthday, Mickey Mouse!
Happy birthday, Mickey Mouse! Woo!
Yeah.
So cute I can't. The persuasive words of an 8-year-old written in crayon cracked open the hearts of potential dog adopters to empty the kennel crates of a local shelter. Their handwritten, personalized notes resulted in skyrocketing adoption rates for the pooches least likely to get adopted in Virginia capital. All dogs deserve a loving home, a St. Michael's second grader, Daniel Petrosk, told the Post. I'm so very happy to be able to help neglected animals find great forever families.
Cool. Bet you didn't know, mystery snails can regenerate their eyes completely after amputation through the mid-eye stalk. No, we're not doing that. Not today.
Not today.
It's too early.
Here's Kingston and Archer for the joke of the day.
Whee!
Hey Kingston, why is Frosty never late? I don't know why. Time waits for snowman.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up, bump, 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 bump. See you
Happy
next time.
Thanksgiving!